Ready? Set. Go.
Hi, we're doing the ALS Bucket Challenge. We've been challenged by Keith and Emily Trudell and Sean and Jolene Kupke. We're also doing this in honor of Mary Tager, who died from ALS and was a very good friend of my mom, Pat Trudell. After doing this, we would like to send out the challenge to Kelly Fitt, Sarah Funk, and Stephanie Couric.
And Craig and Sonnet Ullenbrecht. Ready?
Oh my gosh.
Ready?
Yep.
Oh, that's cool. Okay, Haley and Griffin.
Oh man.
Oh boy.
Go. Griffin, you get the little ice cream bucket.
Griffin now?
Yep.
I want the big one. Yeah, give Griffin the big one.
Okay, turn and face us.
We're gonna stand.
Haley and Griffin nominated themselves because they thought this would be fun. And who are you going to challenge?
We would like to challenge our grandma and grandpa Cupcake.
All right, go ahead.
Ready? Go. Oh, need help? Ready? Ah, that's not gold. Oh my gosh, it's gold. I'm gonna regret this. Just dump it already. Ah!